Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing this video showing you how I got these bangs. This video is strictly for demonstrational purposes. You hear that? This hair is by Nadula hair. Their links will be provided in the description box, but yes, wait for my update so y'all can hear tea. This is their 26-inch body wave wig. It's 180% density and it is $261.66. So you guys, I went in with this color. It's from L'Oreal. It's the high color in blue sapphire, some shit. It's a blue black color. This is the hair. This is just the natural look of the hair and everything. I did go in with that color and 30 volume developer, and my lazy ass literally put all the color onto the hair. Like, I did not take my time. I literally poured it onto the hair and slapped it on, and the freaking color colored the lace blue. So you guys can see the lace is blue. Also, the hair has a lot of flyaways, so just keep that in mind, that there's a lot of little flyaways in this hair, and the lace is a little bit itchy. So right here, I'm just going to show you guys how I disguised that lace being blue. All I did was did some fringe bangs. And if you want to do some fringe bangs, all you do is part out a triangle in the front, like a small triangle. You don't want it to be too big because then the bangs are going to be too thick. So I'm just parting out that triangle. I'm going to wet the hair, so that's going to make it really flat. You can go in with a hot comb, but I just feel like wetting the hair makes a lot of sense. I got this method from Tatiana Wesco. I love her. I've been watching her for years and years, since like she came out with her like the short curls. If you guys know Tatiana Wesco, you guys know what I'm talking about. Those short curls back in the day when we were in middle school and stuff. Yes. So right here, I'm just twisting it. And I'm cutting them a little bit long because I do not want to cut it too short and have it over my eyebrows. I'd rather it be longer than by my eye area than over it, if that makes sense. Like, I just like it this way. If you do this method, make sure you get a round brush from your beauty store or Sally's, and this will make your life so much easier. So right here, I'm just going in with the water just to flatten out the hair and just make sure that the hair is cut properly. I'm just going to comb that, and I'm going to shear. Is it called shear? I'm not even sure. But I'm going to cut some of the bangs a little bit more, but I'm going to cut it up, if that makes sense. So it's not like a blunt cut. It's a little bit more natural. So this is what I'm doing right here. And then we're going to come back when I'm blow drying the hair. It's really self-explanatory, and this is really, really quick to change up your old wigs or even your new ones if you make mistake like how I do. I just wanted to show you guys, like, I be doing dumbass stuff too, and I be messing my wigs up. So I wanted to keep this in here just to show you how I change up and transform the wig when I mess up.
Only you, because I trust no other. Call me whenever you're in doubt. As long as you're next to me, others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy, and I'll never leave me.
Alright, you guys, so this is the part where the round brush is going to come in handy, but I don't have one, so I'm using my regular brush. You want to get a round brush. Trust me, do not do it without a round brush, because if you don't, then you're going to have to go in with like a curling iron and all that extra shit. But if you have the round brush in the beginning, you're going to just do it like this, and then you're going to be done with the bang area. So that's all I'm doing right here, is just going in and trying to give it a little type of bump. So and it was really, really hard, and still didn't give it the bump, but you guys get the idea. When you have the round brush, it's going to make it easier for you. Tell me if you want me to redo the tutorial using a round brush, just like a quick tutorial using the round brush. But yes, I'm going to go order one right this instant, because it just makes your bang more light. Like, when you flat iron it or curl it, it makes it more like in that position, if that makes sense. I wanted it to be light and flowy, but still have that like bump to it.
Wait, why haven't you slept? What's up? Good to see. Like, you are.
You are the woman that I want. She is the blessing that I rather live with, and I can't live without. The only woman that I want. Only you, because I trust no other. Call me whenever you're in doubt. As long as you're next to me, others will clearly see your love is my ecstasy.
You guys, do not mind my crusty appearance. I just wanted to show you how long the wig is and you can see the density of the wig. This reminds me of like 150. I don't know, but that's what it reminds me of. So I'm just going to give it a little blunt chop just to chop off the ends. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this really quick just so you can see where it reached on me. And I am 5'3", so this is the length. Okay, now you can see what I'm talking about. You guys see how I turned the lace freaking blue? I'm so stupid. This part where I'm about to put on my foundation, you don't really need to do this because we're not going to be wearing you're not going to see the lace. So this part is unnecessary, but I've left it in anyways. If your lace is not blue or any color that you do, you're going to go in with this. This is the L'Oreal two-sided not L'Oreal, what am I saying? Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation. I am in the color 14. If you wanted to do an up down and your lace is good, you will do this step and stick your wig down like regular.
You did me wrong, Keisha. All I ever wanted was a little piece of your time. Oh, Keisha. Did me wrong now. And you know you did. I didn't make this time for us to waste it. Maybe he just made his time and gave to us to pace it. Maybe he just gave you dreams, girl, so you could chase it.
So right here, I'm going in with my Got To Be glue. You can use Got To Be glue, Got To Be spray, all of that. You can use glue even if you wanted. But I knew I wasn't going to leave this wig on too long because it's just a mess. But anyways, I'm just doing this. You guys already know, like, I'm not doing the ball cap method in the summertime. Like, that's a dub. Like, that is going to irritate your skin. And no, that's just no. Anyways, that's all I'm doing right here. Then I'm just going to stick it down into the gel. And then we're going to blow dry it on cool air for like 8 minutes. Even though you don't need to blow it that long, you can just stick it in the gel and tie your hair down and then do your makeup. But I wanted to make sure this shit was stuck, which it wasn't. It still lifted up. But you see, this is the good thing about the bangs, because when your wig lifts up, nobody's not gonna notice because the bangs are covering whatever lifting up. Or you could just put the wig on your head and it's literally gonna be fine. So right here, I'm just parting out the baby hairs. This is unnecessary as well because nobody's going to be seeing your baby hairs, but we're still going to do it just for aesthetic. So I'm just going to part it out, and then I'm going to tie my hair down with the elastic band just to melt the lace, even though my lace is blue. So I'm just touching it up with some of the Freeze Blast spray, and then I'm going to hit it with some cool air and then tie it down. Alright, you guys, so basically we're coming to the end of the video. Tell me if this helped you, and tell me if you tried this out and how did it go. And if you're cutting the bangs, even if you have to do a really tiny triangle, do that, and then you could like start going bigger if you feel like it's too little, if that makes sense. You don't want to have your triangle too big. So I am going to be posting a second video with the makeup look and me actually curling the hair and styling it. So that's going to be posted in like 2 to 3 days, probably 4 days max. But this is the look I'm going to be bringing to you guys. You guys can take a look at it. It's literally like a glittery brown eye look and my regular face. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.
If I wasn't up and I begged you for your trust, would you come to me? Come to me. If I told you I was done and I had nothing at all, would you comfort me and call me baby? Girl, I'll never ever run away from your girl. Diamonds put on neck piece.